Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the Switch 2 came out about a week ago as we're recording this, and so we're kind of joining the craze. Everybody's going crazy over the Meadows cow, so we kind of decided to sculpt it and see what we can do. I think it came out pretty good.
Did anybody go to the midnight launch of the Switch 2? Because we went and we went to GameStop. They were kind of like unorganized, and I think we showed up like at, what was it, like 7 p.m. or something like that, and basically got the Switch at, what time was it, like 11:30? But they told us we had to wait, and we waited for like a few hours, and it was just like chaos, and I don't think that experience was very good.
I mean, I guess we had already paid for it. You yelling again, Bert? So yeah, we had paid it off already, maybe like 2-3 days before the launch. I think we had to wait in 2 lines. I think we had to wait in line to get our final receipt, which we waited like 2 hours, and those already paid off. And then we had to wait to get the Switch.
But I guess it was about time to get a new Mario Kart. We had the Mario Kart 8 for like more than 8 years, because the original Switch has been out for like about 8 years. It originally came out on the Wii U. I don't remember how long into the Wii U it was, but so basically it was, the Switch and the Wii U combined. So yeah, I guess it was time for a new Mario Kart. It's pretty good. If you guys haven't played it, it's open world. You could race around with your friends. It's kind of nothing really to do in there, so mostly play online. I don't think I've got in first place yet.
There's always that one guy. I didn't even know you could drive on the walls with a I just saw it. I didn't even remember that it came out on the Wii U. That was a long time ago. You're getting old.
We're all waiting for the Wind Waker remastered to come out on the Switch, but I guess they gave us the GameCube version. I've been playing that for a little bit. Brings back memories when I was a youngin'. I don't think I ever beat that game. I think I got to the final boss fight with Ganondorf. I don't think I ever beat him. I wonder where that save file went. Hopefully I beat it on the Switch and get that satisfaction of finally completing my childhood dream.
I kind of already passed Mario Kart like in 2 days. I was gonna get what's that space game where you're flying into like discovering planets?
Metroid?
No, not Metroid. I'm forgetting.
No Man's Sky?
Yeah, that's the one. No Man's Sky. It was on sale, and I was about to buy it. And then I was like, let me just wait until tomorrow. And then it's full price now. It's like $50-$60. So I gotta wait until it goes back.
The Switch 2 launch games are a little bit bare bones right now. There's not really much to buy for the, in terms of Switch 2 games. I guess they re-released Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom, the Mario Kart, and I guess Cyberpunk. But I already beat Cyberpunk on PC. Maybe I'll wait for a sale before I get that one. I think some like Fast Star MX game and Street Fighter 6. Everybody's been complaining about that tech demo that Nintendo's charging $10 for. That should have been free. Should have been a packing game. But I bought it just to see how it was. Yeah, I mean, it's like little, a bunch of little cool mini games. I guess to show you how like the mouse functionality and all that stuff works. I mean, it's like neat. I don't know if it's worth $10. Maybe $5 tops.
Has anybody's Switch been bricked yet? I hope Nintendo doesn't find out my address. Boy, oh boy.
Make sure you don't pirate your games, and Reggie's gonna show up to your house. Or Shigeru Miyamoto. They've included like a lot of characters in this Mario Kart. I don't think I've even unlocked all of them yet. You just randomly unlock them. Like, I think you're just driving around and the Kamek character like flies by you and then transforms you into another character. I think that's how you unlock them, but I don't even know. As long as I got the cow and the motorcycle, then I'm good. But yeah, I kind of didn't like that like every costume for every character is like its own slot. They should have made it like, where like you have Mario or whatever and you could just change their costume. But they literally wasted like a slot for every costume, and it just, it's like a lot of clutter. Kind of makes it hard to like go through all the characters.
Well, I started sculpting the cow and the whole scene from, I guess, the reveal trailer. I kind of couldn't find any good reference pictures of the boombox motorcycle all around. So I kind of had to work with what I could find. So when the game came out, I had already printed it, but I was trying to unlock the motorcycle to get like a 360 view. I unlocked it. It was literally the last car that I unlocked. I had to follow the little, I don't know if you know this, but in the game there's a little car that throws coins. I followed it for like an hour. Like some kind of hippie.
I actually think I unlocked the cow like right away. I think it was like the first one I unlocked. I don't even know what I did. We actually were trying to release this video before the Nintendo Switch came out, but it takes more time than we thought to create a video, to create one of these types of videos. Because we gotta 3D model it, paint it, primer it, and all that stuff, and it just takes quite a bit. But I guess better sooner than later, right, guys?
Well, I guess every character has its own troubles, and this little bastard, this print failed on me maybe like 15 times. I don't know if it was me or the file or the 3D printer anymore. I was starting to doubt myself. I thought it was you, babe. Oh man. So we also tried a different resin, which I think wasn't helping. We got the cheaper Elegoo resin. Everything was coming out cracked or with big holes in them, and I even started to doubt the model. I went back in. I thought maybe I left something wrong, but there was nothing wrong with the file that I could see, so I kind of just had to work with what I had. And so the original one that we painted was not 100%. I had to put quite a bit of filler on it to make it smooth. It was cracked in some places. And if you guys know about resin printers, whenever it has cracks and there's still resin inside that's not cured, it could cause more cracks. So this could kind of blow up one day. This was just a prototype anyway, so it doesn't really matter in the end. But also we used a new technique. I guess you guys saw we used the putty to paint the spots on the body and the head. I think it's pretty cool. I guess it's really meant for the army tanks to give you that camo look.
So Mario Kart. Oh yeah, Mario Kart. They introduced this new mode, the knockout mode. I've been playing a lot of that one online. It's pretty fun. It's kind of chaotic now that they introduced like 24 players. But as soon as you start the match, everybody just starts throwing items at each other. Like you could literally be first place 1 second, and then the next second you're like 24th place. But they kind of made it easier to like catch up. Like if you're at the end, you get like items like the bullet bill and the golden mushroom. Makes it easier like to catch up to people. But I think they nerfed the bullet bill, because I remember in the older games when you would get like the bullet bill and you hit somebody, they would like completely stop. And now like when you get a bullet bill and you hit somebody, they kind of just go to the side, but they kind of still keep some of their momentum. It's not as good as before, but it does help bring you closer to first place. This guy can't beat me online. Every time we play, I'm always first place.
I haven't played online that much. Maybe like 2 matches. I won 1. To be fair, but I mean it wasn't by luck, but I feel like it was pretty close. So I mean I lost the second one. I think I was like 10th place, but 1 out of 2 is not bad. But it's pretty cool. I mean it looks pretty clean, like everything. I mean it's the newest one, the most powerful console so far, I guess. The models all look pretty cool. Everybody has like 10 costumes. Well, not everybody. Most, I guess all the main ones do. I think Wario has like a Mexican uncle costume. Yeah.
Cowboy boots, cowboy hat,
Yeah, like cowboy hat and cowboy boots.
beer in his hand.
And he has like a ponytail, I think. Gonna pull up to the carne asada, blasting his Mexican music.
They gave him some padding.
Wario's looking extra thick in this one.
So yeah, we try to spice it up a little bit with our base. You know, gave it like a little patch of grass with some dirt, and we added like the fence on the side, and made it seem like the cow was jumping off the ramp. Give it a little dynamic pose, if you will. So what do you guys think of the new Donkey Kong design? I kind of grew up with the original Rare design, and I kind of thought they were going for more like of the movie, like the model that they did for the Mario movie. It looks a little different than that. It's kind of growing on me now, that kind of getting used to it. Now that the more that I see it, I mean, I don't know why they changed the design, because everybody keeps saying that the original Donkey Kong is like expressionless, and with this new design he has like more expression. But why couldn't they just add the expressions to the old model?
Oh, I mean, he kind of does look like he's on like he's on something. That big old toothy grin. I don't know what he's eating, but it's not bananas. Donkey Kong sure does love his powdered donuts.
Now with everything fitting nicely together, I think it's time for the glamour shots. As always, thanks for watching our video. Please make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.